Happy New Year, everybody. In this video, I'm going to recap 2022, including what money I made, and show you what's in store for 2023. Stick around and check it out. So 2022 was a wild ride. I got my website up and running. I posted my first video on Friday the 13th of May. And by the end of the year, I posted 10 videos, which isn't a lot, but it is considering that I have a full-time job with the military and I have to travel a whole lot for work. In fact, I went out of town 14 times this year, which includes trips to Japan, the UK, Australia, and 5 trips to Hawaii. Now, by the end of the year, I ended up with just over 400 subscribers, most of which came from this video where I showed you how to make an American flag home plate. So go check that one out if you haven't seen it yet. Okay, now it's time to talk about what you probably clicked on this video to see. How much money did I make in my first year? Well, technically 8 months. So I have 3 primary sources of income for my channel. The first is the profits that I make off of the things that I build. The second are for the digital plans that I sell, and I'll put a link in the description below. And then third is affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is just when you click on a link that I've put in the description for a product. Amazon gives me a small percentage if you buy something during that session. You don't even have to buy the product that I recommend. And it's no extra cost to you. So if you like one of the tools that I use in my videos, using the link in the description is a great way to support the channel. So in total, the few projects I was able to get done this year took me just above $840. My digital plans got me about $80, and my affiliate marketing was only about $12.50. So all in all, in about 8 months, I made just under $1,000. Now I know these numbers are not that impressive, and I'm okay with that because I'm just starting out. I retire in less than 18 months now, and so these numbers tell me that I can make this a serious source of income when I get out of the military so that I can still support my family doing what I love. Now it doesn't look like I'm going to be traveling nearly as much this year as I did last year, so I'm really excited about the videos I have coming up. That includes project videos, tips and tricks videos, and tool reviews. Let me know in the comments below what you prefer. I have plans for a gun concealment case or 2 and some other patriotic builds. I'm probably going to do some tool giveaways, and by the end of the year, I plan to have a series of videos in back-to-back days. I'm also considering doing a craft fair, so let me know if you want to join along for that journey, and I'm planning to set up an email list. So all in all, I'm happy with what I was able to do in 2022, even with a full job and a family of 5, and I'm really excited about 2023. And for those of you who subscribed in 2022, thank you very much, and I hope to keep giving you the content that you subscribed for. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you next time.